This is a cell phone photograph of this WWE wrestling action figure. And on a cell phone, this buyer, by the way, eBay always shows all photographs in a square frame. That's why they want you to take all photographs in a square frame. And this seller decided he would take a picture of it in portrait mode, taller than wide. And look what happens. Buyers have no idea what his hair looks like. Buyers have no idea if his shoes are okay, if he has a hole in the head, which he probably does since he's a wrestler, but they have no idea. This action figure, and you know it's an action figure because it's a boy, it's not a doll. You know this action figure, if you sell this identical figure and all things being equal, and you took it with a square photo mode with your cell phone, and the buyer sees this and the buyer sees you, and your titles happen to be identical and your price is identical, they can see everything about yours and they don't really know what they're getting here. They're going to click on yours. You're going to win that every time. If this person appears to be right above you, they're going to click you, because this is what happens when you don't take, not with everything, but with a huge number of things. If you don't take square photographs, your buyers will not like what they see. Get a 20% boost by doing what I'm telling you on your photographs. I'm giving you gold here. If you're on eBay, I'm giving you gold. Is it a hassle to figure out how to do a white background? It's really not. You just throw it over to remove.bg and it just almost instantly does it. Or you take the photo with PhotoRim and it just almost instantly whitens the background of just the first picture. You don't have to do every photograph with a white background, just the first one. That's all eBay says. That's all Google wants, the first one. All the rest, maybe you might want to put it on something like this. I mean, you don't want much in the background, but you want buyers to see, look, we really are individuals. We really do have this action figure. It's not a doll. It's for boys. We have this action figure. We really have it. It's in our possession. We know our first picture, if this were you. My first picture looks very professional because that white background really makes items pop. But all the other pictures, they will be able to tell that it's an individual selling it. It shows that you have it's not just a stock photo. eBay doesn't allow stock photos. Many sellers use them. And unless someone reports them, eBay doesn't really say much about it. But stock photos, buyers would rather see what you really have. And this is the way to do it. So just the first picture has to be a white background. We are almost done. I truly have given you light years of tips. Shockingly, there's no way you can grasp how big these tips are. People in Ryan's group, there are a few on this call. They know what I've just told you. It's pretty unbelievable what consistently doing what I've told you will do for your sales. Pretty unbelievable if you start filling out as many item specifics that apply. Stop wasting your time on long descriptions. That's a waste of your time. Do your pictures right, do your item descriptions, still a good title, no one cares. Start making a lot of money on eBay with a lot lower costs. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.